What's up everyone, Viral AI here. Today we're not talking about sci-fi robots, but the AI that's already part of your daily life. From your phone to your car and home, AI is quietly making things smoother, more efficient, and more personal. It learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and reshapes your routines, often without you even noticing. This isn't about the distant future, it's about the tech that's already here, working behind the scenes. In this video, we'll break down 7 key areas where AI is making a real difference right now. From smart homes to health, shopping, and beyond, you'll see how AI is woven into your day. Let's dive in. Let's start at home, where AI is turning smart devices into true assistants. AI-powered thermostats learn your schedule and adjust automatically, saving energy and money. Smart speakers like Alexa and Google Assistant let you control your home with simple conversational commands. Your blinds open with your alarm, your coffee brews when you wake up, all orchestrated by AI. Security is smarter too. AI cameras distinguish between people, packages, and pets. Robot vacuums map your home, avoid obstacles, and clean efficiently. The goal? Automate the boring stuff and create a home that adapts to you. The smart home revolution is already making life easier. The future of home living is intuitive, connected, and always learning. The smart home is here, and it's only getting smarter. How has AI changed your home life? Let us know in the comments. Now let's talk health, where AI is your personal coach. Modern wearables do more than count steps. They analyze heart rate, sleep, and stress, giving you actionable insights. AI detects irregularities, predicts issues, and helps you move from reactive to proactive healthcare. Sleep tracking isn't just about hours, it's about quality, with AI offering tips tailored to your habits. Fitness apps adapt workouts in real time, pushing you when you're ready and easing off when you need it. Snap a photo of your meal, and AI estimates calories and nutrition, making diet tracking effortless. Mental wellness gets a boost from AI chatbots, offering support and guided exercises anytime. All this data connects, helping you see patterns, like how sleep affects stress and performance. Privacy matters, but the benefits are huge. Personalized, data-driven health guidance at your fingertips. AI empowers you to understand your body and make smarter choices every day. It's a shift from generic advice to insights tailored just for you. The future of health is proactive, personalized, and powered by AI. Are you using AI to track your health yet? Share your experience below. Shopping has become a personalized journey thanks to AI. Recommendation engines on Amazon, Netflix, and Spotify analyze your behavior to predict what you'll love next. AI understands context. If you buy a camera, it suggests lenses and accessories, not just random products. Visual search lets you snap a photo and instantly find similar items to buy online. Chatbots handle customer service 24/7, answering questions and tracking orders instantly. Virtual try-ons use AR to show you how clothes look before you buy, tackling the fit problem of online shopping. Dynamic pricing adjusts in real time, sometimes saving you money, though it raises questions about fairness. AI streamlines checkout, detects fraud, and makes payments seamless and secure. From discovery to purchase, AI curates, assists, and simplifies every step. Shopping is less about searching, more about discovering what fits your style and needs. The experience is tailored, efficient, and always evolving. AI is the silent personal shopper you never knew you had. What's the best AI shopping feature you've used? Let us know in the comments. The future of retail is here, and it's all about you. Ready to shop smarter? Getting from A to B. AI is transforming your commute. Navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze use real-time data to predict traffic, reroute you, and give spot-on ETAs. Ride-sharing services like Uber rely on AI to match drivers, optimize routes, and set prices dynamically. In your car, AI powers features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and emergency braking, making driving safer. Self-driving cars are on the horizon, with companies like Waymo already running driverless taxis in some cities. AI could mean fewer accidents, more free time, and greater mobility for everyone. Public transit is smarter too. AI analyzes ridership to optimize routes and schedules, and even manages traffic lights citywide. The result? Less congestion, less pollution, and a smoother ride for all. Whether you're driving, riding, or taking the bus, AI is making travel faster and safer. The future of transportation is connected, efficient, and AI-driven. How has AI changed your commute? Share your story below. The journey is just beginning. Buckle up. Let's talk work, where AI is your ultimate productivity partner. Email clients like Gmail now suggest replies and even write sentences in your style, saving you time. AI scheduling assistants handle meeting logistics, finding times and booking rooms automatically. Video calls get real-time transcription and summaries, so you can focus on the conversation, not note-taking. Data analysis is democratized. Ask questions in plain English, and AI generates charts and insights instantly. Robotic process automation takes over repetitive tasks like data entry and report generation, reducing errors and freeing you up for creative work. In creative fields, AI helps writers brainstorm, designers mock up visuals, and coders get smart code suggestions. The result? More leverage, less grunt work, and more time for what matters. AI is like having a team of digital assistants, each an expert in their niche. The workplace is evolving, and AI is at the center of this transformation. It's not about replacing jobs, it's about amplifying your skills. Are you using AI at work? What's your favorite tool? Let us know in the comments. The future of work is collaborative, human and AI side by side. Embrace the change, get more done. Work smarter, not harder. After work, AI curates your entertainment like a personal DJ and movie critic. Streaming services like Netflix and YouTube personalize your home screen, recommending shows and movies based on your unique tastes. Even the thumbnails you see are chosen by AI to catch your eye. Spotify's playlists use AI to analyze your listening habits and introduce you to new music you'll love. Gaming is evolving too. AI generates new worlds and quests, making every playthrough unique. Social media feeds are powered by AI, serving up content that keeps you engaged and entertained. The result? A highly personalized, sometimes addictive stream of content tailored just for you. AI helps you discover new favorites and keeps boredom at bay. But it also shapes what you see, raising questions about filter bubbles and influence. Still, there's no denying AI has changed how we find and enjoy entertainment. What's your favorite AI-powered discovery? Drop it in the comments. The future of fun is algorithmically awesome. Communication is easier than ever thanks to AI breaking down language barriers. Translation apps like Google Translate now use AI to provide natural, context-aware translations. Type, speak, or point your camera and get instant results. Augmented reality overlays translated text on menus and signs, making travel stress-free. Real-time conversation translation lets people speak different languages and still understand each other, almost like sci-fi. Video calls can be translated live, enabling global business and friendships. AI writing tools like Grammarly help you communicate clearly, checking tone and style for any audience. For non-native speakers, these tools level the playing field in work and study. Auto-captioning on platforms like YouTube makes content accessible to more people, including the deaf and hard of hearing. AI is making the world smaller, more connected, and more inclusive. From travel to business, language is no longer a barrier. What's your go-to AI translation tool? Share your experience below. The world is open, thanks to AI. Let's connect. There you have it. 7 ways AI is already part of your daily routine. From smart homes to health, shopping, work, and entertainment, AI is everywhere, making life easier and more personal. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, evolving fast. The key is to use these tools wisely and shape the future together. Which AI innovation excites you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.